In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to Android. Before we start, make sure you have your old Android phone with WhatsApp installed and your new Android phone nearby. You'll also need the same phone number on the new device, and it helps to have both phones connected to the same Wi-Fi with Bluetooth and location services on. Keep both devices charged or plugged in so they don't sleep during the transfer. On your old phone, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Then go to Settings, choose Chats, and select Transfer Chats. Tap Start. If WhatsApp asks for location or Wi-Fi permissions, go ahead and grant them. This is needed so the phones can create a secure local connection. Your old phone will switch to a camera view and wait for a QR code. Now pick up your new phone. Download and open WhatsApp from the Play Store if you haven't already. Choose your language, accept the terms, and verify the exact same phone number you used on the old phone. After verification, you'll land on a screen that offers to restore or transfer chats. Choose Transfer from Old Phone and tap Start. When prompted, allow access to nearby Wi-Fi devices. A QR code will appear on the new phone's screen. If the code is dim, increase your screen brightness so it's easy to scan. Return to your old phone and use the camera screen that WhatsApp opened to scan the QR code on your new phone. Hold the phones close together and steady. Once scanned, look back at the new phone and accept the connection invitation. From here, keep both devices unlocked, leave WhatsApp open on both, and don't press the home or back buttons. You'll see a percentage bar that tracks the transfer progress as your messages and media move over. Depending on how much data you have, this can take a few minutes or longer. For the smoothest results, keep the screens awake, avoid switching apps, and stay on Wi-Fi. If scanning fails, try cleaning the camera lens, increasing screen brightness, or moving to better lighting. If the transfer stalls, ensure both devices have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location enabled, and try again. When the bar reaches 100%, your chats will appear on the new phone, and you're ready to pick up conversations right where you left off. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless WhatsApp move to your new Android.